Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to use YNAB effectively. If you're new here, YNAB stands for You Need a Budget, and it's a fantastic tool for taking control of your finances. Whether you're drowning in debt or just want to build better money habits, YNAB can help you stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building wealth. Let's dive right in. First off, get started by setting up your budget. Download the app and link your bank accounts. Then, create categories that reflect your real life, like groceries, rent, entertainment, and emergency funds. The key is to be specific so you can see exactly where your money goes. The heart of YNAB is its core principle: assign every dollar a job. This means deciding upfront what each dollar in your account will do. For example, if you have $500 left after bills, allocate it to savings, fun activities, or debt repayment. This proactive approach prevents overspending and surprises. Next, make tracking your spending a daily habit. YNAB syncs automatically with your accounts, but take a moment each day to review transactions and adjust as needed. This keeps you accountable and helps you stay on track. Don't forget about aging your money, a YNAB superpower. Aim to have your money sit for at least 30 days before spending it. This builds a buffer, reduces impulse buys, and makes you feel more secure. Handle irregular expenses wisely. YNAB lets you set aside money for things like car repairs or holidays by breaking them into monthly contributions. It's all about planning ahead to avoid financial stress. Finally, review your budget weekly. Life changes, so adjust your categories as needed. Use YNAB's reports to track your progress and celebrate wins, like paying off debt or building savings. There you have it. Simple, effective ways to master YNAB. Start today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your finances improve. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.